Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your very first time you've come across this channel, please subscribe. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate your love and your support. So I'm here today with an amazing video thinking about raising organic chicken pets. You don't really know where to start. You are in the right place. Welcome to your complete step-by-step guide to organic poultry farming. First of all, why organic poultry farming? Organic poultry means healthier birds, better quality meat and eggs, and a smaller impact on the environment. Plus, it feels amazing to know exactly where your food comes from. Now, step 1. Planning your flock. Start by planning your flock. Choose the right breed. Layers for eggs, broilers for meat, or dual-purpose breeds for both. Decide how many birds you want based on your space and goals. Step 2. Preparing the coop and run. Next, build or buy an organic approved coop for your chicken. Make sure there is at least 2 to 3 square feet per bed inside and 8 to 10 square feet in the outdoor room. Use natural, non-toxic materials wherever possible. Provide shelter, ventilation, and protection from predators. If you have watched to this very moment and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe and join the great family. And you can equally join my channel membership as well. And I can assure you that you will not regret joining. Step 3. Feeding organically. Feeding organically. Organic birds needs organic food. Feed them certified organic feed, no synthetic additives or antibiotics. Supplement with fresh grains and kitchen scraps, but no processed foods at all. Step 4. Daily care management. Daily care management. Daily care is the key. Feed and water them fresh daily. Always give them fresh feed and fresh water daily. Clean the coop regularly to prevent diseases. Always clean the coop regularly to prevent diseases. Observe your chicken for signs of health or trouble. Happy chicken are active and always alert. Always waiting for their feed to be served to them. And then you will see them jumping, roaming around, very active and always alert. Healthy chicken keeps farmers rather happy at all the time. When they are active, they are healthy. When they are healthy, they are active. All what we are talking about is to embrace organic farming. Step 5. Keep it truly organic. Is it possible to keep it truly organic? Is that possible? If you have watched and you have get to this very point, is it possible to keep it truly organic? Let me see that in the comment section. To truly stay organic, no antibiotics or synthetic chemicals. Only use approved organic remedies. If healthy issues arises, yes. And you can always, as I used to say, you can always give us. You can always give to prevent. Yes, you can always be giving rather for prevention. Prevention is better than cure. Don't wait until your birds are sick before you will now start running helter-skelter looking for solution, instant solution. You want to embrace organic, I advise that you always give for prevention. Keep records if you plan to sell. Certification requires documentation. Yes, as a farmer, you must keep records of your farm. Right from the starting to when you are going to sell. Calculate all your expenses. And then before selling, maybe if you are into broiler farming, right from the one you expected to open a record of all the expenditures, and then by the time they are 6 weeks, which is stable size, you are already on your way to the market. By keeping record, it will help you to know all your expenditures, their feed, how much have you spent, and then you will know It will help you to know how you are going to sell your birds. And if you are into layer farming, that one may stay a bit longer. You need to start recording from day one, and then you keep on recording until when you want to sell them as old layers. You are expected to be writing every day, number of, especially if you have started collecting eggs, you are expected to be recording all what you have been collecting, the sales, and what you are spending on them. So I have so many videos on my channel. I have so many videos, you can go through them, how you can ferment your feed using plantain or banana stem, how you can treat your beds organically using guava leaves, mango leaves, papaya leaves, ginger, garlic, how you can treat them organically, bitter leaves, how you can treat your chicken without spending money. Without spending money, all what you need to do is to move to your backyard and then get some vegetables, come on, and then you prepare for them. So that is it. Your roadmap to starting your own organic poultry farm with care, commitment, and a love for your birds. You will be producing healthy, sustainable food in no time. So thank you so much for watching. And please, if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share for more farm to table goodness. Bye.